Hey guys, what's up? How's your geekend so far? I hope you're doing great. So this is Ian once again, and thank you for joining me for another video in our channel. So recently, Realme is on releasing spree with its AIoT line of devices with the recent introduction of the Buds Air Neo, the Power Bank 2, and the Realme Band. So I know most of you have seen this already in their Facebook page, and the company will be releasing this alongside with the Realme X3 Super Zoom. So I guess you know what I'm talking about. It's the Realme Watch. We've been using the Realme Watch for about a week now, and before we get into our review, we will unbox this first, give you our first impressions and our initial experience using the watch. So I guess let's not keep you waiting. Watch this.
Let's go.
Alright, so basically what we have here is a rectangular yellow box. I can say that this watch is packaged in a premium way, and I love how sturdy and chic the box feels. So we have the Realme watch printed on the main face of the box, and we also have the Realme branding on the sides. Below, we have the main features of the watch, the large color display, replaceable watch strap, daily activity tracking, blood oxygen monitoring, 24/7 heart rate monitor, and 14 sports modes. Although you might think that these sports modes are kinda limited, but Realme says that it is more than enough to cover your daily activities. We also have the proprietary charger printed at the back. Actually, I don't know why it's there, but for me it's kinda odd that we have a printed charger there, but hey, no big deal, right? So let's go and open this. Okay, once we have opened the lid, we will be greeted by the Realme watch itself. So we'll try to check out the rest of the items first included in the box before we go to the watch. There's a plastic here that we can pull to elevate this paper cradle, and then, well, we have another partition. We have here the proprietary charger which comes with magnetic contacts, so yeah, that's even more convenient to hook it up with the watch. So that adds another layer of convenience while charging. The charger is also sturdy, and it feels like it's also made of premium materials. And of course, we have some paperwork here, so there you go. So we're back with the Realme watch. We just have to remove this plastic covering first, and wow, I'm excited. And okay, we need to talk about the design. So the watch comes in black with curved edges, and I must say that the main feel of the watch is kind of glossy, which gives it a premium feel. And surprisingly, it's lightweight, so I have no issues wearing this when I'm sleeping. So the screen comes with 1.4 inch with 320 by 320 pixel resolution. So it's also a color touchscreen with Gorilla Glass 3 coating. So definitely it will repel most of the scratches, but I'm still very careful with this one because I don't want some scratches piling up in my screen. So there's a sizable chain with the Realme branding. Also the bezels around the screen is also thick. But using black watch faces makes these bezels muted when you glance on it. We also have here the 20mm removable strap. We got the black one, but I think Realme will be having 3 more color bands upon launch. The strap is made of silicone. It's not that soft, also not that rigid either. I think it just have the right flexibility to wrap around your wrist. The watch itself is rated IP68, so I think it's water resistant. Siguro washing your hands with this is fine. And I think that's good news, especially now that we are encouraged to wash our hands more often. So once it's turned on, we will be greeted by the Realme branding. The experience feels premium. Alam nyo yung feeling na you're kinda amazed with the goodness that's coming your way? Yeah, I think I'm having that feeling right now. So okay, well, we have the QR code here for you to scan and download the Realme Link app. Opening the app, you will be prompted to register an account, which I gladly did since this is my first AIoT product. So after that, I think you just have to link your device. It's also a good thing that the app does it instantaneously, as in a heartbeat. It's really fast. You'll also have the option to input some basic information like birth date, weight, height, and even set some goals. I did an 8,000 steps a day goal, so here's to hoping na I can do it despite this pandemic. So after that, guys, I think we are good to go. So the Realme watch also comes with a partner application called the Realme Link. And did I say that it's only available with Android users? Oops, sorry iOS users. There's a quick toggle interface when you swipe from the left of the screen. There's the Do Not Disturb toggle, the raise to wake toggle, brightness level toggle, and the power saving mode. Although you need to long press the side key to deactivate the power saving, which most of the times for me it's a chore to do. The physical button also serves as a back button in the interface. Aside from that, we have 14 sports modes. So we have the outdoor run, the walk, indoor run, outdoor cycle, aerobic capacity, strength training, football, basketball, table tennis, badminton, indoor cycle, elliptical machine, yoga, and cricket. In the main interface, you'll also have access to the workouts or the sports modes. You can also manage your blood oxygen level here, your heart rate, and your activity records. You can also see your sleep information. There's also a music and camera remote, so you can snap a selfie using your watch, and you can also skip to the next track. So basically, you also have the Find My Phone feature and the meditation feature, which I love to help me distress whenever I feel like I'm being overloaded with workloads. And we also have the alarm, stopwatch, weather, and the settings. So there's a bunch of stuff you can do with the Realme Link app. For one, it's very efficient in tracking steps, sleep information, heart rate, and workout logs. You can also manage your watch using the settings section of the app. My favorite is the watch faces. There's only 12 watch faces available in the app, but you can only load 6 of them in the watch. Also, Realme is marketing the battery life to be 7 to 9 days for average users. And the watch has been with me for a week, but I still have around 14% before I charge it to full capacity this morning. So there you go, guys. I think we have covered a lot for this unboxing. So we will be having a full review of this device, so watch out for that. And again, if you have questions about the Realme watch, you can comment down below so that I could include it in our review. Alright, deal. And while you're at it, geeks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification icon so that you will get notified if ever we post new videos. So I think that's all for me this geek end, and I hope you're having a good one. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.